Look, I'm not here to tell you to buy anything. This is not financial advice, but I need you to pay attention to something. Because right now, with Tesla, something is brewing. And the crazy part is, most people are looking at the stock, but they're not seeing what's actually happening. There's this idea people keep getting wrong. They think if something big is going to happen, it's going to be obvious. It's not. Most of the time, you don't see the event, you see the buildup. And that's where we are right now. With Tesla, a lot is going on behind the scenes. Even if you can't see it, you've got teams working on full self-driving, robo-taxis, AI systems. And just because it's not fully released yet, doesn't mean it's not happening. In fact, that's usually when the most progress is being made.
Whatever. Remember that there's always the possibility, and a very good possibility, because it's normally what happens actually, is there's a moment where you wake up in the morning and then there's a news event. And the news event is 100 cybercabs are now fully autonomous, running around, picking up passengers in Austin. Boom, that event happens. It could happen literally tomorrow. It could happen a month from now. And when it does happen, it'll be a surprise to us all. And to your point, the stock is held up because there's a good number of us who understand, if it was, as we know, if it was just an auto company, it would be the price, the market cap would be appreciably lower because after all, I think as an auto company, as the auto company it is, its market cap is greater than the next 10 largest auto companies on the planet.
Look, I'm not here to tell you to buy anything. This is not financial advice. But I need you to pay attention to something. Because right now, with Tesla, something is brewing. And most people are looking at the stock, but they're not seeing what's actually happening.
So clearly, people think there's more to this auto company than being a Toyota or a Ford or a General Motors, clearly, because the market has spoken. But at the other side of that coin is that when these events occur, but I can tell you that you're witnessing the run up right now. So if you're confused about, oh, well, what's going on? A lot is going on. Just because you don't see what's going on, just because.
This is where beginners get confused. They're waiting for the headline, waiting for it to be official. But by the time that happens, the move already started.
And I went up to one of the Tesla buildings that I know fairly well. I would say the AI team is all there right now. And I would say they're working their butts off on chewing off the last 10, 20, or 30 items on their FSD unsupervised list scale. And so this stuff is happening whether we see it or not. In fact, it's actually happening right before our eyes. We can either be patient and realize that there will be a moment when it does happen, or we can choose to be impatient and complain about it, or we can choose to be impatient and not be a Tesla investor, whatever. Those are all our choices. A month from now, when the actual event occurs and the stock goes up 50 points or something, and they'll say, where was the signs? And I'd say, are you kidding me? Like, what have you been paying attention to? How do you not see the signs? How do you not see the signs when you have 100 cybercab being produced from out of the factory over the last month? Bunched up releases, and then there'll be a quiet period. And during that quiet period, big progress is being made by the team because they don't have time to put out a 14.2.2.6. They're busy on trying to get chipping off this list or knocking off this list. These things are like stuff cooking in the kitchen in a pot, and you're walking in the house and you can smell the cooking and you're saying, well, when's dinner? When's dinner? And then all of a sudden, whoever's cooking says dinner's on the table. And you're like, oh, I didn't know that was going to happen. You didn't?
Yeah.
You were in the house. You smelled the cooking.
Yep. That's the story of Tesla.
Now let's zoom out because this gets bigger than just cars.
Today, some very big news out of Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI, all of Elon Musk's companies. On Saturday night, Elon Musk hosted an event in Austin to announce Terafab, a $25 billion joint venture between all three companies to build the largest chip fabrication facility in history. To set the stage, Tesla has delivered over 8 million vehicles, xAI built the first gigawatt-scale AI training cluster and what they note as the largest coherent supercomputer in the world, and SpaceX launches 90% of all orbital mass globally and operates the world's largest satellite internet constellation. TerraFab combines all three. The goal is to produce 1 terawatt of compute per year, and the entire world currently produces about 100 to 200 gigawatts. So TerraFab is targeting 5 to 10 times the world's current output from a single facility. Everything will be under one roof: chip design, lithography, fabrication, memory, advanced packaging, and testing. They're targeting 2 nanometer process technology, which is the most advanced tech right now in production.
Let me simplify this. Most beginners still think Tesla is just a car company, but what's actually happening is it's becoming part of a bigger AI system.
Roughly 80% of compute would eventually go into space with this vision, and only 20% would be on Earth. The advantages, of course, are that space has continuous sunlight, no batteries needed, chips run hotter, and solar costs less without weather protection. The cost of deploying AI in space will drop below the cost of deploying terrestrial AI in 2 to 3 years. In space, things get easier over time. Texas Governor Greg Abbott attended this event, and then SpaceX's announcement here hit 750,000 views pretty shortly. Elon's posts, of course, hit a lot more than that. So this is a huge deal for Tesla. It shows where Elon Musk's real vision is for the future, and the fact that Tesla right now is, of course, making cars, and that's their bread and butter, but for the future, it really blends into this entire vision with all three of these companies. It really does feel like the beginning of something much bigger. Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI have overlapped a lot over the years, but they keep overlapping, and this is the most concrete example yet of all three working together. Many people are saying that a full merger here seems to be entirely inevitable.
Very curious what this is. He said, this is interesting at Giga Texas. What do you think this is? Take a look at these photos. So clearly it's in a crate. It was delivered to Giga Texas. It looks like some sort of vehicle. It's wrapped, so we don't know what it is.
This is the part people ignore, but this is how patterns start. Things don't just show up like this for no reason.
But if you look at, the vehicle, it's like people are going, well, is it the Model YL? Is it a totally new vehicle? Is that rear just popped up, just happened to be popped open? Because it looks like it was just popped open rather than, that is the way, you can see the rear window here. It's popped open. But what's going on?
There are windows. I don't think there are windows.
That's not a rear window. No window, but like there's a rear opening. You see how it's weird that it's a top here. It must be like the rear hatch is open. And James, Invest Answer, says, whoopsies, who left that box open? He thinks it's a 7-seater Model Y L2, Model Y. And then Tony C., the accountant, said, well, here's a Model Y L. Here's what this is. This rear is too high to be a Model Y L. This is something else. Grok said, Grok thinks it holds a Model Y body shell wrapped in blue protective film, clearly for production reference or line setup at Giga Texas. The crate markings, wooden export, blah, 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 no visible made in text. This matches Tesla's routine China to Texas shipments from Shanghai Gigafactory for variant alignment, refresh Model Y parts. Best guess, China origin. But
well, this isn't me telling you to buy anything. This is just awareness. Something is brewing with Tesla, and one day there's going to be a moment and people are going to say, where did this come from? But the truth is, the signs were there the whole time. Real quick, before we keep going, if you've been getting value from this, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. That's how this message reaches more people who need structure, not hype. Now listen, M.B.U is bigger than just videos. This is a full system. If you're trying to stop guessing in the market and actually build something real, we put everything in one place for you. The Market Blueprint teaches you structure, discipline, and how to move with purpose. Profit like a pro shows you how to stack wins while protecting your peace. And we even have trader music, because what's in your head matters. Your mindset controls your money. And most importantly, the M.B.U community. Real people, no hype, no pretending, just individuals learning how to build a family bank step by step together. This market can feel manipulated at times, but structure keeps you grounded. If you're ready to stop chasing and start building, link is in the description and bio. Come join us. If this made sense to you, subscribe. I don't chase hype. I teach structure. This is how I move. If you want to learn it step by step, subscribe.